Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Parker at the Inspiration Development, and we are going to check out the Hepburn Floorplan by Lennar Homes. Lennar has some beautiful homes that are anticipated to close in the mid-700s, which is incredible for the beautiful quality, the mountain views, and the 55-plus clubhouse that Inspiration offers. And this is the Hepburn Floorplan in the Heritage Collection by Lennar Homes. And it's a single-family ranch home with a covered back deck and a 2-car garage. And with this home, you are looking at 2,100 square feet, and it has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And this floor plan has an open concept living and dining space, offering a seamless floor plan that really brings together the kitchen, the great room, and the nook, and it extends to the outdoor deck. And the kitchen has beautiful stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. And if you need additional space, there is an unfinished 9-foot basement that adds a lot of additional square footage. There is availability to build your next home with Lennar. And if you need a quick move-in, there is actually a quick move-in available in May for this exact floor plan. So if you are interested in this floor plan and this builder, reach out now and let's start the conversation of building your next home at Inspiration. And if you have any questions or have a development or floor plan that you're interested in seeing, feel free to contact me and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.